What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with
Jason
and his Factory 5 818. So today is going to be an awesome day because we are test driving this car.
Very short test drive.
Very short, but hey, that's what counts. So I'll see you guys after the intro and we'll get this bad boy backed out down the steep driveway. Let's make it happen.
Let's go.
Guys, he's gonna pull it out of the garage. That's gonna be the hardest part though, to get it over.
Quick drive, it's leaking a lot quicker than I thought it was.
All right. I see it. Don't move. Your fender is like in the tire. Brakes work. Will that happen?
Dash is off. Let's go at speed. Watch out for rocks.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we went on our first drive, finally.
Yep, our first drive, car second drive.
Yeah, car second time. What did you think?
It
ran better than last time. So the last time we went, the tune was like way off, and you know, car barely wanted to. You try to accelerate at all, and it just wouldn't go anywhere. This time, you could actually push on the pedal, and it actually went. I think we might have built just a little bit of boost, not much, but it, you know, it's kind of there. We definitely. I think we went twice as fast as we went last time. Last time it was like maybe 10 miles an hour. This time I think we got up to probably 20, 25. So. You know, we almost went the speed limit, so so pretty good. Got some issues to fix, but you know, it's kind of given with this car.
Just a little bit. I mean, I don't know if you saw that, but the dash came off because I guess it wasn't buckled down.
Yeah, the wind got up underneath it and kind of lifted it up and blew it in our face, but that was minor issue.
Yeah. It wasn't bad though. It was pretty fun. I'm telling you, this thing will be on the streets soon enough.
By the end of the year.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna go ahead and close out the video. Maybe push this thing back in the.
We're not pushing it up that hill. That hill's way too steep. We're gonna have to try to figure out how to get first gear.
That's the hill. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's steep.
We're gonna figure out how to get first gear, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching.
See you later.